Hello, Jay the Shark here for 5 Star Marine. So, did you know that snorkeling has been around for about 5,000 years? Originally, they just used a reed, just put it in their mouth and that was it. Yes, but it's evolved since then to this amazing industry where you get all sorts of bells and whistles for your snorkel and mask. So, today we're going to test out 5 different snorkels, all under $10. That's right, all under $10. Now, just to let you know, when you come on a 5 Star Marine boat tour, we give you our snorkeling gear, and here it is. She wasn't ready for this one. Oh no, I want that one.
This one?
Yeah, that one. And here.
Do I have to do?
No, just throw me the bag. Christ's sake. Anyway, look, here it is. It's this one. Thanks, Julie. She wasn't ready for that. But we keep it in the bag because it gets cleaned. Every single day you go out, it gets cleaned, it gets put in the bag, which means it's good to go, and then they put these on the boat. So when you do come up with us, you get this. Now, we tested out, as I said, 5 different snorkels, all under $10. And here's the first one. Woo! This one is a little kiddie one. It's nice, isn't it? It's a nice colour. I think it's very pretty. So that's number 1. Number 2, old school, full face mask. Now, this one didn't come with a snorkel. So I'm not sure I'm going to breathe very well. But anyway, we're going to test that one out. Number 3. A full face mask. These ones. Now, these came out about a few years ago, so we're going to check it out and see what it's all about. And then another one, number 4. Look at that one. Looks like a deer antler. I got this because it looked cool. Anyways, another full face mask, but with a double snorkel. Everyone loves a bit of a double, don't you, eh? Nice. And then finally, number 5, which we will test out, is this one, which is your bog standard snorkeler mask. So, there you go. 5 different snorkels. We're going to go check them out. I'm going to take the boat out. We're going to take Lisa one all the way to Koh Khai Islands and go and do some snorkeling and check them out. You're going to come with us? Good. Come on then. Hello, before we start, I have to say this, please make sure you like and subscribe and do all that sort of jazz, but to be honest, it doesn't really matter. However, if you are watching this, we know for a fact that most of you haven't subscribed. So if you do subscribe, please put a little comment saying, I subscribed. It'll make me happy, I can say thank you, and then maybe Sean will pay me a little bit extra. Maybe, not sure. Right, oh, hello. Right, number 1, this is a kid's mask and snorkel. It's good, isn't it? No, I think I have to pick this off. Let's do it. Don't look at my bad hair. I've got hat head. It's a bit small, the kid's mask. Right, try. Oh my God, that's quite tight. It's very tight. Okay, let's try. Yeah. See where the boat was. Yeah, interesting. They're a bit small, aren't they? Right, let's go to number 2. Okay, so this is number 2, old school diving mask. It didn't come with a snorkel, so I've had to borrow my snorkel from 5 Star. Anyway, let's go, old school, baby. Ooh. Oh. Right. Woo. Old school mask, baby. Quite like it. Well, you can't equalise very easily. Anyway, that's number 2. Woo! Hello. Right, number 3, full face mask. I've never used one of these before. Not really sure what to expect. I'm a bit worried though, because that comes off really easily. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be. Anyway, let's try. How do you get it on? Was it meant to just... Oh my God, wow. I feel like Darth Vader. Right. Oh, hold on. It doesn't sit very well. Okay. Right then, let's go. Oh, I lost my snorkel. Well, that's not very good, is it? That bit quite important, that bit. Oh well, best not dive down. Oh dear. Oh. I am your father. Oh, hello! This is not the... It's a bit weird. It's very weird. And this comes off. This isn't very good if you're diving down. Anyway, that was number 3. Okay, number 4. So it's a full face mask, but double air, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I'm a bit concerned though, because it doesn't fit very well here. Anyway, let's give it a go before these jet skis attack me. Whew. Oh. Does it look weird, doesn't it? Oh. Right, let's try it. I don't like it. Okay, I don't like this one. It's hard, this one. I can't. It's not very good, this one. I don't like it. Anyway, that was number 4. Woo! Right, one more to go. Okay, number 5 now. I'm looking forward to this one. It's quite cool, look. And it's also, I like this, it's got a little clippy here you can clip on so you don't lose your snorkel, which is nice. Right, I got high hopes for this one. Woo! Oh, it's quite cool. Well, I love the mask. I don't like the snorkel. The mask is cool though, huh? Quite like it. There you go. That's number 5. Woo woo! So, there you go. Khai Nai. Beautiful, wasn't it? I had fun going out there, and Julie was with me and she had fun too. She went snorkeling. Here's a little picture of her snorkeling. She didn't know I had that picture. There you go. Right, so we tested out the 5 different masks and snorkels. So let's start with this one. The kids one. Honestly, I thought this was brilliant. For what it is and the cost of it, it was really, really good. Old school, works really, really well. Full face mask. Now this was good visibility. The only downside about this, 1, it didn't have a snorkel, but I had to borrow one. But 2, you can't equalise. It's very hard to equalise. There is a little bit of a finger thing here to hold your nose, but it was really difficult to equalise. So if you're going to dive down, this wasn't the best one. Now, talking of not the best ones and diving down, let's do these 2 in one go. Now listen. If you've never snorkeled before and you're really nervous of snorkeling, you're really nervous of water, maybe the full face masks might be for you. However, you can't dive down with it, you can't equalise with it, so it's absolutely pointless if you want to go down and have a look at the corals and stuff. The other problem I found with it, as soon as water gets in the mask, that's it, and it's a nightmare to take it off and to get the water out. So both of these, were pretty rubbish. In fact, this one was so bad, the actual snorkel fell off. Although I did find out that I didn't put it on properly. But there you go. This one is just pants. Don't get it, it's a waste of time. My final one, which I thought was really good, was this one. The only downside with this one was the snorkel. I thought it was going to be really good, but it wasn't. The mask itself is awesome. So there you go. Which one should you go for? Well, go for the one that 5 Star Marine gives you when you come on the 5 Star Marine boat tour. But if you are looking to buy your own mask and snorkel, I'd go old school. Honestly, the old school masks are the best one. So there you go. That's my top tips for masks and snorkels. So, book now. Come on a little snorkeling trip with us. Go to Phi Phi. It's fun down there. Or Koh Khai Islands where we just were. Beautiful. I had a great time. Hope you did too. Now remember, please like and subscribe. Helps me out and then Sean will pay me more money. Good. Right. Oh, actually, if you can comment your favourite snorkeling spot, that'd be great. And then I can say, okay, thanks very much. That helps with the old algorithms. Maybe get more likes and more views. Got it? Good. Thanks for watching. Bye.